she's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that you'll be able to win this one. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever.
So I'm getting ready for tennis. I don't normally bathe before. I bathe after because it makes more sense to me. It is now 6:43. I'm tired. But you know, we gotta play tennis, we gotta exercise, because that's the only exercise I'm doing. I gotta do this. And you know, I do this every single week. Every single time I have to play tennis. It's just the getting there is my problem. Once I'm there, I'm fine. I'm not gonna record a lot of tennis today, because you guys know that I do it a lot. You guys know that I do it every time. You guys know when I'm setting up like this, I'm gonna play tennis. So I'm just gonna record like a snippet. We normally play for like an hour and a half. I'm gonna try record more of my day or more of my morning to show you guys. So tennis is gonna be like a little 15-30 seconds, and then we're gonna go into what you really want to see. Alright guys, I'm trying to get downstairs.
Cause I don't know what I want. Yeah, I'm here talking to myself like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired of myself cause I don't know what I want. But I'm not out here on my own. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that'll make her feel better? Make her feel better. And that's where she'll go. 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 And then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah.
to change in like 2 seconds.